Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Gary Lane and Bill Ross. This game was played in Newcastle, Australia in 2018. Gary Lane had white pieces and he started with e4. Bill Ross played c5, the Sicilian defense. Knight to f3, knight to c6, d4, c takes on d4, knight takes on d4, g6, going for the dragon variation. Actually this is accelerated dragon because black didn't play d6. Knight to c3, bishop to g7, bishop to e3, knight to f6, bishop to c4, the most popular move. Play with the black pieces, castle kingside. Bishop to b3, this is considered to be the best move. Black to move. How will you continue? Play with the black pieces played, knight to a5. The most played moves in this position are d6, preventing e5. a5 is also very popular, so is knight to g4. And queen to a5 is played quite often too. But play with the black pieces played knight to a5, intending to chop the bishop. And it looks like that it's not easy to save the bishop. How would you continue this position if you had white pieces? Gary Lane played e5, attacking the knight. Knight to e8. You can now understand why black plays d6. This is preventing e5. Well, instead of knight to e8, black can take the bishop on b3. If knight takes on b3, then pawn takes knight. And after knight takes rook, f takes on g7. And after king takes on g7, queen takes knight. And you can see that white is better. However, the game may have lasted longer if player with the black pieces chose to play this way. Back to our game. Knight to e8 was played. The reasoning is that the bishop can't escape. This position was first seen in the game Fischer-Reshevsky in 1958. And player with the white pieces, Gary Lane, knew about this game. He even wrote a book about it. What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Gary Lane did exactly what Bobby Fischer did in 1958. He played bishop takes on f7, check. Rook takes on f7. Well, Reshevsky played king takes on f7. And then Fischer played knight to e6, d takes on e6. What happens if king takes on e6? How will you continue now? Then queen to d5 check. And after king to f5, g4 check. King takes pawn on g4. Rook to g1. King to h4. Bishop to g5 check. King to h5. Queen to d1 check. And to prolong the game, black can play rook to f3. Then queen takes on f3. Check. Mate. So, in this position, Reshevsky played pawn takes on e6. Fischer captured the queen. Reshevsky resigned at move 42. Back to our game. In our game, player with the black pieces played rook takes on f7. White played a move and black resigned. And the move is knight to e6. Black resigned in view of this continuation. Pawn takes knight. Queen takes queen. Player with the black pieces resigned in this position, and 20 minutes later he bought the book from Gary Lane about this opening to learning on more tricks. So, what did we learn from this? we learn that it is better to buy the book from Gary Lane before the game. Well, it is always a good idea to learn from the old masters and to learn from other people's mistakes. Do you agree? But when we learn from our own mistakes, we tend to remember much better, don't we? What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.